Good morning children, I hope all are fine. So I hope class 6 children are watching this video, and this video is especially for maths of class 6. So Bhagwan Academy has taken one initiative to show video classes. So first topic we are going to see which topic we are starting today. So already contents have been sent in WhatsApp. And topic was sent for number system. The same number system is going to be started. Let's see what things are there. So here you see today what we are going to learn, number system. And under number system, here you see first we will learn what is notation. In WhatsApp content already contents have been sent. You might have read also everything and you might have understood. And I know that few children are there, they might be facing some problems. So for them only, for keeping them on mind, we have started this. So first we will learn what is notation, what is numeration, writing numbers in Hindu-Arabic system, numbers writing spinal form. Already these things you might have learned in your previous classes also. And lastly, in this video especially, we will learn face value and place value. This topic is also very common and very old. Already you have learned in very previous classes. So these are the topics we are taking in this class. So let's start. But before that, I would like to show you which book we are running this year. So here you see, this year we are running Mathematics for class 6. So just for the sake of showing this book, I am showing you Mathematics for class 6. Few of the children you might be having, and many of you I know you might not be having because you have not purchased your book. But not to worry if you don't have books. Just whatever notes are being sent through WhatsApp or through video, just these contents will be enough for you. So here is your contents you are going to learn this year. So these are the things. Chapter will start with number system. These things are written, you can see notation, numeration, Hindu-Arabic system, and later you have international system also, and then you have exercise. So after watching this video, whatever possible questions would be there to solve, you will solve from exercise and you will keep ready in your notebook. So these are the things are there if you will be having in book, and if you don't have book, again I am saying not to worry, just you focus in this video and whatever contents are being sent in WhatsApp, just you focus on that, keep revising, and when you are watching this video I request again, you be with your pencil and copy, and together you learn. If together you are learning, then only I think easily you will be able to understand. Simply watching video is not going to work. So let's start our things. So first is notation. So notation children, we know that any number, if it is being represented by figures, they will be called notation. So that already you know. Suppose writing numbers in figures, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, like this we write numbers. We use writing numbers what? Figures or symbols also you can say. Symbols. So these are called notation. Second you have numeration. What is numeration? Writing numbers in words. These are called numeration. In your previous classes, in very small classes you have learned, questions teachers might be giving to you that write numbers in words. Very simple thing, like ONE1, we write ONE1, TWO2, THREE, like this we used to write numbers in words. So these are called numeration. So what is notation you understood, what is numeration you understood. Write this in your copy and write for definition also. Writing numbers in figures are called notation. Writing numbers in words are called numeration. Okay, so move ahead to your next topic. Here you see Hindu-Arabic system of writing numbers. So this is also very common. I think you might have learned before. But again, for revision you see, but not revision, thoroughly you have to see how do we write. So here you see this column already I have made. Here you see, here we will write ones. And in ones, this is again subdivided. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here you have thousands. Here you have lakhs. Then crores it comes. I have not written, but crore it comes. And these all lakhs, thousand, ones. These are called period. Now, as ones have been divided into 100, tens and ones, thousands are divided into 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs are divided into lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here you see, these have been subdivided. Now, take any example, take any number. Suppose I have written 5, 6, 9, 3, 1, 2, 6. Suppose this is the number. So in this Hindu-Arabic system, this number, how it will be written and how it will be read. In ones place you have 6, so simply you write 6 over here. In tens place you have 2, so in tens place we have written 2. So it became what? 26. Because in tens place 2 is there, it means what? 10 will be multiplied by 2, so it will become 26. In hundreds place you have 1. Now it became 126. Next number you have 3. So this is in thousands place. This number became 3126. Next you have 9. So this became 93,000 because this is in place of 10,000. So this is 93,126. Next you have 6. And lastly you have 5. Now you see how we will read this number. In 10 lakhs place you have 5. In lakhs place you have 6. So this became 56 lakhs. What it became? 56 lakhs. In 10,000 place you have 9 and in 1,000 place you have 3. It became 93 thousands. And 126. 100 place you have 1, 10 place you have 2 and 1 place you have 6. So finally, how we will write this number? 56 lakhs 93,126. So in words, if you want to write this, how it will be written? 56 lakh 93,126. So like this in number you can write 56 lakh 93,126. So I hope you understood. Take other examples, few other numbers you take. and try to write this. Suppose you take any other number 6, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this number I have taken. One more number you increase. Suppose 0 it is. Right? So you try to write this number in the same way. Here you see, in one place, what number you have? In one place you have 0. So 0 will be written over here. In one place, 0 you have. Then tens place you have 5. It became 50. In hundreds place you have 4. So it became 450. 3, 2, 9, 6. So simply this table you need to remember. Initially it will take time, otherwise you will remember. Without help of this table also you will be able to write the number and you will know which number is in which place. So here you see, in one place you have 0, in tens place you have 5, hundreds place you have 4, 10,000 place you have 3, 10,000 place you have 2, lakhs place you have 9 and 10 lakhs place you have 6. How it will be read? 69 lakh 23,450. And one more very important thing is that this is in table we write. Otherwise, without table if you are writing, what is the way? How it will be there? And how will you know which will be in which place? So here you see we will start counting. Suppose this table is not there and this number you need to write in proper way in standard form and you need to read also. So what we will do? Count from right side. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So this is in one place. So after this comma will start. After every 2 digit, comma will be started. Here you see, first after ones you count ones, tens, hundreds. This ones you got ones, tens, hundreds. So after this comma you start. Here you see this comma, and after every 2 digit comma will be there. In the same way in this number also, here you see. Now you see ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So it will be 69 lakh 23,450. This number 56 lakh 93,126. Similarly, if you are moving left side again and big numbers will be more, it can be written crores. So again in crores also subdivision will be there, crore and 10 crore. So 2 digits will be increased, comma will be put over here and crores will be written crore and 10 crore. Suppose here it will be written 50 crore. So this number will become 50 crore 56 lakh 93,126. So likewise you can read the numbers and I hope you understood. Few examples might be there in book and some in exercise also few questions are there that is required to be written. So I hope by seeing this you understood, you will be able to write the numbers. We will move ahead to our next topic. How to, with numbers in expanded form, how to write the numbers in expanded form. How to write how to write numbers in expanded form, right? So here you see, this also you have studied in your previous class. Suppose any number you have 5, 6, 9, 3, 2. You need to write in expanded form. So simply what is required? You should know which number in which place. So here you see ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So 5 is in place of 10,000. So we will start how? You see 5 is needed to be multiplied by 10,000 because place value of 5 is 10,000. In which place it has, this number has been kept? In 10,000 place. Then next number you have 6. So 6 is needed to be multiplied by 1,000 because in 1,000 place it is there. So this is 1,000. Then 9 into 9 is in which place? In hundreds place. So with 100 this is needed to be multiplied. 3 is in which place? Plus sign will be there. 3 into 10, and lastly 2 is in ones place. 2 is required to be multiplied by 1. So finally in expanded form 56,932 will be written as 5 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 3 into 10 and 2 into 1. Any other examples you take? Any other numbers can be taken? Here you see. One more number you take and I think you will be able to understand. Here you see, suppose any number is there 1039502, right? Again you start counting the numbers. Ones, tens, 100. What I say, after 3 digit, comma will be started after every digit, every 2 digit. So this comma will be there, here comma will be there. Now ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 1 is in which place? 1 is in which place? 1 is in 10 lakh place. So or if you get confused, suppose if any doubts are there, easy way is there of writing what? 1 you have, and after that you count the digit, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just you multiply it by 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 you put. It became 10 lakh. Got it? Next, plus 0 into 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 3 into 10,000. Plus 9 into 1,000. Plus 5 into 100. Plus 0 into 10 and plus 2 into 1. Isn't it? So I hope you understood how to write numbers in expanded form. Next topic we have face value and place value. This again already you have learned before. Here you see, suppose you have this is face value and place value. So by taking any example we will be able to understand in better way. Suppose you take 2, 3, 6. Now you need to find out the place value of 6 and face value of 6. Right? So before starting one thing you should know. Face value is what? The value of the number itself. It does not matter where it has been kept, in which place it has been kept. Either that is in ones place or tens place or 100 place or 1,000 place, the face value will be the same, it will not change. So face value will be 6. Face value of 3 again will be, face value of 3 will be 3. Face value of 2 will be 2. What I say? Face value will not change, will be same everywhere, wherever it will be. So no confusion is there. Place value changes because the number occupies the place and take the new value. So here you see 6. 6 is in ones place. So 6 is needed to be multiplied by 1. 6 is needed to be multiplied by 1 and value becomes 6 because this is in ones place. So in ones place the face value and place value will be always same. Next you see the place value of 3. The place value of 3 would be 3 into, in which place this 3 is occupying? Tens place. So it will be multiplied by 3. So this will become 30. So the place value of 3 in this number is 30. Now just you see, Face value of 3 was what? 3, but place value became 30 because this 3 is occupying tens place. Now you see 2. 2, the face value is 2, but place value, this is occupying 100s place, 100s place. So this needed to be multiplied by 100. So it becomes 200, right? So the place value of 2 over here will become 200. So I hope you understood. Take other examples and try to write in the same way yourself. Again I am repeating, when you are watching this video, keep copy and pencil and everything with you and try to write yourself, try to understand yourself. Simply watching video is not going to work. So I hope you understood this all. So this was our last topic. So again, just you see what did we learn. What we learned? Notation. What is notation? Writing numbers in figures or symbols are called notations, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Numeration is what? Writing numbers in words like ONA1, TWO2. So these are called numeration. In Hindu Arabic systems, you learn what? How to write numbers, right? Numbers writing in expanded form, you understood how to write. And lastly, you understood face value and place value. So try to solve questions from your exercise. And I think most of the questions you will be able to solve. And next week we will learn about international system of writing numbers. Till that, thank you.